Hey guys, my YouTube channel You Fitness is about making fitness related videos. If you are new to it, consider subscribing it and press the bell icon for instant notification. Watch my video fully to get a clear vision on what I am going to say. In this video, we are going to see about how to find a best gym. Right after the new year, many will be planning to go to a new gym as their new year resolution. Also, you are investing your time, money and energy into a gym, and you have to be certain that you have made a best choice for you and your fitness goal. To help make the process little easier, we have narrowed the search down into few factors in this video. Consider watching this if you are searching for a new gym. Let's go into the video. The first most important thing is find a gym near you. It seems simple enough, but picking a gym that's too far away is a common error that guys make when they are trying to find a gym. If you choose a gym more than 15 minutes from your home or work, then you have created an excuse to not to go. If you choose a gym near you, it is easy to hit daily, and also you can go by walk and consider it as a mini cardio session. People may think that a gym 20 minutes from their house is fine until the realities of their schedule starts to hit. For example, they have to work an additional hour in their office, or they have to spare time with their friends in an evening, so that they are more likely to compensate in their gym schedule. And many people are struggling to find time to exercise. In addition to that, a 30 minutes of total drive time will be a big obstacle for them. So find something close to you and try to hit the gym regularly. Next, we are going to see about the gym working hours. Few gym works 24/7, but others are closed on Sundays or weekends. Make sure on the gym working hours before joining. It also depends on the type of work schedule you are going through, like night shift, rotational shift, or some even like to work out in their lunch breaks. Knowing your gym works 24 hours a day and 7 days a week leaves no room for excuses. It is easy to skip your fitness class or treadmill time when your workout time are limited. Are you an early bird or night owl? Make sure the gym schedule is good for you. The third most important thing is equipment. Equipment is one of the main reasons someone joins the gym. Several broken machines are a bad sign. Step out from the gym immediately and don't waste your time there. What type of strength training machines they have and how many? Do they have enough dumbbells and weight plates? Search for a separate squat rack. Is there a cardio machine? Look these kind of equipments when you are joining in a gym, including yoga ball, TRX straps, medicine ball, exercise mats, kettlebell and boxing bags and foam roller, etc. Ask about these kind of equipment and are they available for your use or not. Next, we are going to see about vibe of the gym. How does being at the gym make you feel? Welcomed or weary? Are the people friendly and professional, or staring and awkward? Would you feel comfortable exercising there? Is there a proper ventilation for breathing? Ask these kinds of questions to yourself when you are joining a gym. Finally, when walking around the gym, be sure that everything is not too crowded and you feel like you have enough free space to work in, or else you should be standing in a queue for your workout. Another good factor is to look for a stretching area. Many gyms don't have one or only allow small space for stretching. Stretching is an important part of workout and should not be left out. Next is about trainers. Many of the gyms are packed with personal trainers. Before committing to a personal trainer, don't forget to ask about their certification and their area of expertise. Or even you can ask his client testimonials. If you don't have any of these things, please don't sign up for him. We are on the final factor now, the fees. This is going to be the most important factor for most of the people. Many people out there today cannot afford the high priced membership and personal training fees some elite gyms offer. Some gyms are offering free trial period. Try these kind of gyms first and later you can pay the fee if you are okay with them. When buying a membership, please don't sign up for an annual membership because we may not like the gym after a month or two. Unless it is a 2 or 3 month membership, it's totally fine. If you are smart about it, the first thing you have to consider is the discount season. Most gyms offer discounted rates at the peak season, such as New Year and summer. Try to make use of it. Also, finally, look out on the basic amenities like parking, water, and gym cleanliness, washroom, etc. Hope I have delivered the most important factors which have to be seen when we are joining in the gym. I have given the book link in description where I have got this information. Also my Telegram group where you can chat with me. Follow me on Instagram or Facebook. Like the video, comment if you have any doubts, share to few of your friends, subscribe, and thanks. Have a nice day.